Okay, today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2015, and we are, right now it's obviously a pretty day. It's very warm, and it's about, and windy, as you can probably tell, the wind blowing to the mic. I'm expecting some thunderstorms. I'm going to be documenting it over the next few days. And, this is going to be it till tomorrow. I'm expecting storms tomorrow and Friday. Both days could be strong to severe. Okay, so it's now 5:56 on the same day. It's still April 1st. But one thing I happen to see here, see that cloud? Oh, let me get it better. Yeah, those are coming off of some storms off to our southwest. And something similar happened yesterday. We had storms to our southwest, actually, and those ones yesterday were actually very powerful. They produced some very large hail. They didn't make up here, but they were just south of and around the Tennessee border. Yes, I live in Tennessee. So now walking out here, we got that. Just getting their shot. Let's take a look at it. All seven of my subscribers can see this. And tonight there might be a few storms that move through, but most of what I'm paying attention and going to be documenting will be tomorrow and Friday.